You need to ask yourself this very serious question right now if you're into crypto. Which other crypto YouTuber tells their YouTube free live stream where price will go, what shape it'll take, and when it'll get there, in addition to waking his ass up really early to be conducting live shows for a private Discord community during the early morning hours of CPI data release, and also showing where price will go and how fast it'll get there and why. This is from November 10th, 2022 during a 3-hour YouTube live stream. So a lot of people are going to be buying that trend line, even though this already broke down, and they're going to send it into this triangle, and then it's going to break down, and it's going to come to here.
I'll leave that on my chart. See how that works. Yeah, because you have to interpret everything as what are buyers doing, what are sellers doing, and how hard are they going to do it. So one group of buyers are obviously going to be looking at this line, they're going to buy it. But probably a larger group of people are going to not let it, they're not going to become buyers.
There you go, it broke down. And this is not a fake out before it goes up, with a high likelihood. These people seeing this, they're going to buy into that, and then once it gets to this local high here, or that local high, so yeah, roughly in this triangle, sellers will step in at 17. They'll step in just above it, because once bigger players see this, they're going to know they're going to go short. So, and they're going to know a lot of liquidity is going to lie over there in form of liquidations and shorts, and they're going to buy on spot with their futures orders, sells already there, and then they'll send it down. And then they'll send it down. That was recorded on the next candle that was green. And here's what happened as I drew that. Not too shabby.
Not too shabby.
That same morning, this is what happened. During a futures workshop Wednesday through Friday mornings, the Wednesday is available to both Cryptillion and VIP Discord tiers, and I record the Cryptillion ones on Wednesday, plus all the other Cryptillion chats, and provide that to the Cryptillion YouTube tier as well, in form of recording. You wouldn't use this as support coming back down if it does it. Waiting on CPI, yeah, because whenever FOMC or CPI is coming out, the big bad day is simply, they make a middle ground from which they can do their volatility both ways. And Ottoman, now that it is above the 16,420 line, now that it's above there, this is absolutely in play, if not probable.
Yeah, I'm checking Bitcoin.
And again, if this origin line doesn't hold, Bitcoin will likely go up $500 all the way to 17.8.
Damn, it didn't feel like, how is it possible?
I don't know if anybody else saw that, but there's a moment where it went all the way down. I don't know if that was just trading view. Now back to current chart, a replay. We were recording right here, right before CPI data came out, literally seconds or minutes. And there you go.
And there you go.
Discord call that starts on Thursdays right before my YouTube live. A VIP was asking how to think about entering a long position off of the 12-hour chart.
I'm looking for a long entry in it. Make a backfill. No, halfway.
I would say it would touch that wick.
Okay.
My second best guess would be this right here.
Okay. So entering long in that range.
If it goes back under the origin line, I would personally wait until it gets back above it. But if you wanted to front run that, just realize that's what you're doing. If that happens, make sure once Bitcoin is up here flirting with the origin line that you are setting stops and being careful.
Yeah.
You want Minecraft, Roblox, or YouTube? Roblox. And here's how it played out afterward. The next 12-hour candle, and it aligned almost exactly with that wick right here. $140 different. Let's zoom into the small time frames to see how well my words of caution would have helped him out. 15-minute chart, even though during that call we're on the 12-hour, but this is to where it pulled back, and this was that other wick up, to which I said, hey, it's probably going to go here in a pullback. But then I said, once it gets back, you need to be really careful, because I'd want to see it use this as support, letting them know, if you're going to do it, be more careful. Look out for a breakdown here. And that's why I said I would wait for it to get above the origin line. Our crypto community is not about me being a wizard with saying price is gonna go here in exactly this shape. Rather, a lot of times my VIPs and team leaders, hell, sometimes my Cryptillions educate me and make me better. And it's a compounding effect. We all feed off of each other and we're getting better and better. Here are a couple of examples. This is a tenured VIP who does a lot of trades. He's taking like 10 trades a day minimum. He's always popping on asking questions, not in form of what do I do? Rather, his questions are typically he's in a position and he already has a game plan, and he usually to get a second pair of eyes / opinions and suggestions on where to move stops and take profit. That same person in this moment was educating me on candlesticks. I did not know what a bullish piercing candle was.
Okay, so the question was, like, let's say we get a bullish piercing or a bullish engulfing on Bitcoin daily candle, right? Where would you be looking for a backfill?
Define daily piercing.
Bullish piercing is closes at 50% or higher into the previous day's red candle.
Oh, it's the close. closed. Okay. So it's a green going up into a red, closed green, correct?
Yeah, so previous day is red, current closing day is green, and it starting from the bottom, it goes at least 50% into the body of the previous day's candle, regardless of where it starts. I mean, it's supposed to be starting
Like that candle?
Yes, that would be a bullish piercing. Yes, it's over 50% into the previous candle body.
What would happen, or
no, like where would be a good place to enter longs? That being said, like assuming it's gonna backfill some of that candle.
back at the origin line?
I don't know, dude. I just wanted to kind of play it safe and take risk off the table, so I closed all the longs I had. I'm just kind of looking for a new entry now at this point.
And here's a team leader who's essentially my crypto mom and community mom, who was giving me a suggestion on how to make the Discord community better, to add clarity and make things a little bit less jumbled within the Discord daily update channel, which looks like this. I'm recording this during Saturday, November 12th. These are all from today, given updates. And it looks like that. So you see the time on all this, 10:44. Then I saw more things in the chart for the daily update. About 45 minutes later, I saw something else, put this together for the third one. So here's her suggestion. She said,
well, I just jumped on. I don't know if I missed anything, but I wanted to make a suggestion about the daily updates in the Discord. I think we need to leave the small comments out.
Yeah.
Important daily information only. It's getting really messy.
Yeah, yesterday it was very long.
So those comments there were only recently enabled, right?
correct. I just wanted to see what happens.
It's like giving a kid a pen.
Yeah.
But this is where it got messy.
But if you get too many, then we cannot read them. I mean, the one good thing about it, if I needed to go back 2 weeks, it was very easy.